Adam say on Omanpenye Enyadwe. Do you expect him to say so on Enyadwe? No. And the news. The likes of Adam Agbana, the deputy youth organizer of the NDC, okay, and the communications department or bureau of the NDC and all that, all those people who would have the opportunity to speak on TV and on radio, no, will not agree with the president. Sebi. Intina President Kasano. Or say if NDC is seeking to destabilize his government. And of course, there are some people who also need job. I am surprised that it took the president, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, to tell Akufo to say, sack your finance minister and change a new one. Really? When he was president, did somebody tell him, sack a minister and bring a new one?
Fix it.
Really? Listen to this. You, who contested with the president of the Republic of Ghana, the Ghanaians gave him the mandate and said, look, to work with the constitution, we have given you laws to work with. Then the one who contested with him stands and said, I am holding a press conference to tell the president, say, change the finance minister. I.e. do reshuffle. Yeah, kai pa me amete. The president you vote man who ye ministers echo parliament say enquire vetting. Honorable Kojo Aponkruma hwene no motivaso. Madam Hawa Kumsen, fisheries. Look at what she went through. And other ministers, even after that, both minority and then majority, it took the communication bureau, head of the NDC, to write, say, Argentina minority leader, any speaker of parliament, Akufo appointees. We're talking about Ghana. That is the extent to which any baby no akwakodu. Now me a president. Omanpenye that abegina say change ministers. Any is for say change ministers. Na party for change ministers. Now sorry ya waka. Oh kwa change ministers. Really? Many president ya dream papa.
Only president.
Yes, I know. You know why? Governance behind the scenes. There's so much information you and I don't have. Anything I want national security. NSI what again? NIB, National Investigation Bureau. Okay, and what other intelligence units of the government? They name report they brief the president every Friday on happenings in the country. Every district commander running to of police, running to district commander of BNI, running to Omunyina Emma intelligence app. And the president is privy to information. No, we
are not privy to.
No. And again, it's in a party from Kamestram. Minimum said the entire party for being so ekasa yenye reshuffle no and say it is about appointees. Appointees nibi and nim say a party for abre our form and sana edi appointed. Yes. President Mills time our president. Saturday day buy. President Mills can say I am directing all my appointees open the doors to NDC people. It wasn't in the no no because yes say yeah the what honum say she Ghana for nanso den a the gombo for saying so ko sadaka make sure say with fee adidi amen ansa na wakwa sadaka no now we appointee na etima ye djuma ya bodjuma ade what honum a obi ba obetima ma na tena reception for 2 days on who kura say e bia kura information odi be ma wono ebe boawo a wo te obi a wo te no and you would not even do that. Now you say the bibi so aba party must say mafiaism. Now mafia unyanju be also mafia obi. Obi ti be me president. Me be say. Enti onyam de obeye bia the po ye djuma kra party no yen fan yan kuntian na family form. It is your attitude that is making the grassroots to call for such reshuffle. And NDC is joining to it. Me on any day I will support the president. One can say on your reshuffle. What he said at the tail end on my hand, or say one no responsible leader and our president will get up and say maybe reshuffle or China. No responsibility. And it's true, he's right. On my hand, tell me where in the laws of this country HSA reshuffle should be done.
Who say so a reshuffle?
You see, I just gave you on 2 issues. First of all, the idea of NDC seeking to destabilize his government for me, Odika. Because it's a normal example of what happened the last time. Because of the hang parliament and because of the attitude of the minority after the vetting. Okay. And secondly, the appointees are making one say interpersonal relationship with party people. their relations to the party people, the way they handle. Look, I'm talking about CEO parastatals. Some of them, deputy CEO Krabasa, the way journey the way of a hand time. I'm telling you, it is terrible.
Wow, party for now.
Look, let me tell you, we are here. We have been voted for by Ghanaians to handle Mother Ghana's affairs and relate to people so well. It is our attitude that will give us the power. It is the attitude that will let Ghanaians see, say, you will a boo any dear Emma Ghana for. Until you did Juma Mawa, Sabi. Kai say you were sitting somewhere with nothing when they brought you there. Tomorrow you can go back to that same place. So respect people. Respect party people. Don't create an environment where now grassroots people will feel a bit sad. They have been shortchanged. So they are calling for the president to do what is not even supposed to be done. It is the appointee, some of his ministers, some of the CEOs. Say, I can't throw Musaya. We are going to get this party back to opposition if you are not careful. Right. Because of their attitude.
Mamema and rapper. But Alpha reacts to President Akufo Addo's comments on reshuffle. Alliance for Food Soldiers Advocacy has noted with grave disappointment the reaction by President Akufo Addo on the increasing calls for reshuffle in his government. As it will be recalled, Alpha, in a press conference held on Friday, 29 July 2022, made a passionate appeal to President Akufo Addo to consider reshuffling his appointees, ministers, deputy ministers, MMDCs, bring on board new faces with whether to help the administration and also assuage the growing despondency amongst the rank and file of the party. Unfortunately, the chief appointer, in his interview with North Star Radio in Tamale on Monday, August 8, 2022, has disagreed with the genuine calls articulated by party members and sympathizers on the need for a reshuffle in his government. To him, his ministers have done an outstanding work. Although this is not the outcome we expected, given the fact that we are law-abiding members of the party, we respect the decision of the president. Alas, the 1992 Constitution of Ghana grants him, the president, the sole authority to hire and fire. As committed members of the MPP, we shall continue to do our best in service to the party. We wish the president and his government well. Under my hand, Sir Obama Pokrasi, Executive Secretary, AFA.
Grassroots as American. I know Sir Obama very well. I know their group. It's a huge group. Group in Papa. And they are committed and look, they sacrifice to the party.
In the midst of their commitment, there's a disappointment.
No, they are not happy. But I see yesterday on Ekosi saying, or the statement was read. Then I told them that they should refer to the tail end of the president's submission. Or say no responsible leader will go out and announce a mayor reshuffle. It means that it's too premature. They shouldn't be disappointed. But anything at the same time.
Director General, National Communications Authority, Joe Anochi.
Yes.
Happy birthdays from your staff and family at Multimedia.
He's a good friend. Happy birthday to him.
No, Kasa.
His work is not supposed to be talking.
Okay.
He's supposed to. He's technical. I mean, very technical. Their job is technical.
For the MPP for definition for all.
No, for NCA it's not supposed to be talking.
It's okay.
It's technical.
But more time, major bit no more power.
Also, more time no ball.
Yeah, man,
NCA court tonight.
Kamal, Alhaji Kamal, in the conclusion, no, okay, say president no indicate. On the last statement said no responsible leader or president will go ahead and announce obey reshuffle or China and say next week. At the same time, no responsible president should create the impression say on your reshuffle. Because also we are satisfied with ministers, we are outstanding, and who appointees are. What you are saying is me a minister under President Akufo Addo, me co-officer. I am going with my chest boldly out. I'm outstanding. It's abysmal performance. I hear complain because alternative so now kasa. I hear them agbana na alternative so. If there is some Jemfia na Erikeji, but nipa na o appointing me no.
I understand.
We
will talk a bit.
Performance.